Hey guys, today I'm going to be discussing about two things here. Um, One is this, basically the model garden. What GCP does is they have created um, under the Vertex AI called Model Garden, where they have clubbed all the solutions by different industries or different models has been created for different use cases. It is all clubbed into one place called Model Garden, which is similar to our GitHub code. Uh, Everybody comes there putting their code. That is the repository versioning, and anybody can use, or you can treat as any other marketplace, just like GCP marketplace or AWS marketplace, or Facebook marketplace, where you can put on your stuff. And if you are allowed to, just like here, only Google and Google partners can put their models, and those models are of three types. One is foundational model, second is fine tuning model, and third one is task specific solutions. Okay, so for task solutioning, basically it is pre-built model ready to use off the shelf, and we can customize with our own data. Okay, for fine-tuned model, it is that data scientists can further fine-tune through a custom notebook or pipeline. Okay, so Jupyter notebook as well as the pipelines can be put in. Foundational model, which is pretty basic, pre-tuned multitasking model that can be further tuned to customize for a specific task. Okay, so we have already gone through one of them called POM2 Text Bison, and we have seen there was uh, uh, earlier in previous videos I showed that there it can be by three ways. One way is our this generative AI studio where we call language. Okay, and then we did prompt designing in structured or freedom way. Okay, and then there is another one for chat. Okay, so that is with palm 2 also the same thing. We are going to generative AI studio. We can use the cull command and directly use that cull command here, and provide the Google APIs endpoint and then instances parameters, and then that's it. You can hit this API and it will return a prompt response to you. Okay, third one is your, of course, by coding using Python. So 3.7 version of or higher Python version is required, and then Vertex AI SDK for Python is required. You can take this code. In this code, what we are doing is we just took the language model from the text generation model, and then after that we are setting it up for Bison pre-trained model. Okay, and then we are giving some parameters: temperature, max output token, top p, top k, and then we are giving our prompt to predict. Okay, so that's it about this POM2 text Python model. But we have many other models in the garden, and how to check that through modularities. You can check just like here. If I pick vision, and then here I say detection task, so we can got to know this OWL wit uh, model, which is zero shot text condition object detection model that can be query an image with one or multiple text queries. Okay, I'm not going to be explaining this one, but this is how the other way to search any model. Okay, by modularities or task. Third one is if you directly know any model, just like Google has their BERT model. Okay, and hmm, why it is not coming? Okay, in earlier blab it was coming. Not sure why it is not coming. Might be it's not allowed to this project. Okay, because of vision is not gone. Oh, yeah, now it should be allowing us. BERT. Yep, here we got the BERT, which is a neural network. based technique for neural language processing, and then it can do use for you trained for the question answering system and more. Okay, so the basic use case here mentioned token predictions. Every prompt is basically divided into multiple tokens, and then embeddings. Every token is further written into a array of numbers so that it can store in the vector database, and then classification of those. For this kind of work we can use this BERT model. Okay, so this is all about the model garden. You can go and do your uh, choice of model. You can look into what fits in your use case, and then you can use directly without wasting any time. So it is pre-trained for you. You need to see how to utilize it. um, so that is what good thing with this model generator. Okay, and I believe we are all set for the model to be picked up from the marketplace. Hope you like this video. Thank you.